Pollyverse people, how we doing? What is up? What is up? What is up? What is up? Bada bing, bada boom. Yo, we're fixing the stream while we're streaming. Have you ever heard of such shenanigans? Specifically, we're just fixing the chat as it appears on the stream. That's why there's this ominous black box in front of everything. We're working on it, alright? We're working on it. Let the lovely tunes of Squawk 75 guide you home. Guide us all home. Yes, indeed. It's all happening. We're just getting busy. Getting busy, eh? So let's see if I can fix this thing, eh? Da 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 da. Okay. Whoa, what is up, everyone? It is me, here to fix stuff. Removing the chat and then putting it back. Let's see if we can do this. Oh yes. This is a meta stream. This is very meta. I thought, why not fix this on stream? Because otherwise I'm just going to be delayed in streaming and then we won't stream for as long. So what the heck? You guys don't mind. You love the productivity streams. I know you do. Alright, whoops. That was the wrong scene. But anyway, let's add the Twitch chat back in. I'm getting better at navigating OBS. I gotta say that for myself. I am getting better at it. Okay, so I just added the Twitch chat in and it didn't work. So that has me a bit worried. Oh dear. As long as I don't have to watch another tutorial video, then this is... Hey, there it is. Whoa, ominous black box. Why is it not in the center of this of the OBS box? That's what I'm wondering. I saw an option to change it before and I did, but I forget where it is. Transform. That wasn't it. Only God knows. Only God. Okay, well, this is how it's supposed to look anyway. I guess. What the hell is this? Okay. So let's do some testing. Testing. Chat. Hello. Looks pretty good. What? Oh, okay, I get it. Oh, this is so annoying. This is how we do it, everyone. This is how we freaking do it. Okay, so let's see if we can add it into this one. Adding browser, add existing browser, Twitch chat. Boom. Perfect. Oh dear. It's so hard to select the right one. So that's the one. Aha. So it's like slightly too big. It's not gonna have this black background when I'm done with it. I'm just using that because it makes it easier to measure it in OBS. Okay, so slightly too wide. Let's see if I can do something about that. Did it change? The width didn't change. Oh, thank you, Nightbot. Hey, the width isn't changing. Maybe it's because I'm streaming. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this while I'm streaming, eh? That's another theory. Okay, yeah, it seems to not want to change while I'm streaming. Oh, that kind of makes sense. Okay, so we're just going to have it like that for now then. Oh, so irritating. I want to get it all perfect. I want to get it all perfect, you see. Don't you get it? Just moving around this ominous black box on the screen. It keeps shifting up. Yeah, that'll have to do. And then here, oh, this is going to be an issue. Where do I put it? On this scene. Oh, let's see. Right in the center. Not the camera, although look at that beautiful background. Oh dear, there we go. Wait, oh my god, I just realized it's on top of everything. Ah! Can I put it up here? Not too shabby. Okay. One more scene. The scenes never end. Browser at existing Twitch chat. Oh, where are we putting it here? Like up here? I think so. It'll do. So how are we looking? There, there, there. Alright. You know what? Oh, but I'm gonna have to save it. And then it won't change. Guys, I might start the stream again real quick. Hold on, let me see. Background. Make the background invisible. Save. Oh my god, it did disappear. But the size didn't change for some reason. Strange. Oh well. Guess we're all good then. Welcome everyone to Pollyverse. We are here for another beautiful stream yet again. I'm just going to turn down the music just a hint. How's that? We are here for another lovely stream, aren't we? Yes, we are. And what are we doing today? A little more website work, of course. A little more website work. See what we can do on the old website, huh? Let's see what we can do about it. That's today's goal. Just smack that website up. The Pollyverse.com, of course, is what I'm talking about. Pollyverse.com website. It's a sight to behold. There you go, update the stream name. Finished fixing the stream for now. We are now working on the website. Alright. Switching up the agenda. Okie dokie. Artichoke. So, Pollyverse.com. We had some revelations yesterday in terms of Pollyverse.com. Came up with some bold ideas indeed. Okay. For the Pollyverse brand. Okay. So, let's have a little look at it. I've already forgotten what I was going to do about it today. But we'll see. We'll see. I'm sure we'll find something to work on. See how confident we're feeling if we want to delete entire sections of the website or not. Because we're going to be changing stuff, you know. We are going to be changing stuff. Here we are. At Pollyverse.com. There it is in all its glory. Yes. So what did we do yesterday? We did a fair bit. We did a little tinkering of each of the story pages, except for the big ones like grit and error. So the issue is, I've been told that by a Squarespace representative that I have too many instances of text over an image, you know, basically blocks in overlapping each other. And they said that's a bad thing to have. I'm skeptical of whether that's the entirety of the issue, because I have a feeling that the issue will persist either way, even if I do fix them. But I suppose that's something that we'll find out. But yes, the other aspect to this is I wanted to simplify the website a fair bit. And we fixed some of the links, such as the Instagram. Linky. So something I did want to do is completely renovate the shop to get rid of basically all of it. Really simplify it down. There's too much going on here. I don't need art commissions. I don't need this love poems. I don't need the voice acting. I don't need the writing commission. I don't need any of it, really. I can just get rid of the whole thing. And then just have a contacts page. And it'll be like, contact services type thing. The heck just happened? Oh. So that's something. The community tab. We fixed that yesterday. Yes, we did. Yes, we did. Pollyverse people, Pollyverse _people. That looks cool as freaking hell. And yeah, now you click on the image, it takes you straight to the Discord. That's pretty cool. I like it a lot. Oh yeah, I noticed when I was browsing the website, my little OCD went off here. This image, which isn't loading right now, and this should all be moved down just once. There. Perfect. Ba bum 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 bum. Oh dear, my internet's acting up. Something's happening. Squarespace is taking a hot minute to load. Oh no, it did already load. I'm just being stupid. Alright. We are back in action. We're all good. Yeah, we're still here. So, yeah, that looks better. All the beautiful people of Pollyverse. Oh, I need to add Grumbly Ghost to this list too. We shall do that indeed. Yeah, the mobile version looks sick. See if we can maybe add... Well, we'll just see what kind of options there are for social links, because maybe we could put a big Discord logo or something, so it's not just hidden on the image as a link. Let's see, eh? Social links. Just literally all the social links. If I delete these, they're not going to be deleted from here, are they? Or if I shift them around, there's less repercussions. It did shift. How strange is that? Huh. Okay, we don't want to mess with that then. It's like a global setting thing. Okay. That was so weird. Integrations. Oh yeah, I did have a full Instagram section of the website, but then I just thought to myself, like, what's the point? I just linked to the Instagram, you know? And also, it didn't load. Like, the Instagram didn't update itself, you know? When I made new posts, it didn't update on the website, even though it was supposed to be integrated. It's really strange. Thought Squarespace was supposed to have it all figured out, eh? Sorry, just plugging in the cable. The headphones here. Back in action. All right, so what could be something that we could add here? Something cheeky. Social links is crap. It's like the worst thing ever. Design? This doesn't help at all. Button could be okay. Discord button, I guess. You know what would be really sweet though? Discord logo, but like Pollyverse image worked into it. Oh, I know. Yeah, just, oh, I could make it myself. I think that's the key to this website. I need to make some custom images. Like I said, a cool image like this one that's already, whoops. I never know where to point. Like this image here. We could have that and then have a big, you know, white Discord logo over the top of it. And then people know, click it to get to Discord. Yeah, stuff like that. And that'll be super easy to make. That might be the solution. So let's see what else we can work on then. The contact and about pages definitely need reworking. This hieroglyphs style is pure insanity. I don't know what I was thinking. I guess I was getting the creative juices flowing. I just wanted it to be, you know, obscene. Obscenities. What can I do about this shop? Can I just disable it? This page is disabled. Huh. Nice. Okay, so now the shop is gone. Sweet, and it even disappears from the top links here. Okay. So don't have to worry about the shop for now. It's gone. So then we can actually think about the contact and community. I mean, the about and the contact. The blog is fine. The Pollyverse section does need tinkering. But as I suspect, the issue may be different than I've been told by Squarespace. We'll see. We'll give it a go. It's going to be pretty boring to fix. That's why I don't want to do it now. I did the hard ones already. Actually, let's have a look. We already did Fairy Glen's Fantastical Travels. We did Felicity Strange's one. We did Norse Myth for Polly. We did The Detective. So there's only Deep Drift Diary. Holy shiver me timbers, I love my alliteration. What the hell is wrong with past me? Deep Drift Diary, Error Singularity, and Grit. Though keeping in mind that Error Singularity is a complicated one, so that'll take a little bit of time. Grit will take a bunch of time because there's a lot of stories. So let's start with Deep Drift Diary, because I actually don't remember what it's like in there. I know there are some images though. Oh, this image is so cool on the side here. How good is that? That's a picture I took at the beach in England, just of the water. And then obviously, you know, visual arted, photoshopped the living heck out of it to make it all purple and alien texture and everything. It was just clear water with these light purple parts with the sand and the sun shining through. Glistening. Okay, so here where I've got this... Oh my god, stop clicking, Torkel. Here where I've got the title on top of... Why does it keep disappearing? Am I trying to do too many things at once? Am I loading too much? Can my internet not handle the capabilities that I'm running at right now? Also, I like here on some of the pages, I make it so that all the icons and everything change to white instead of green. Adds to the aesthetic of certain pages. Like Detective, it should do as well. Better, yes. Excellent. And then the only green part's the little Pollyverse logo. That's cool. Oh yeah, this one as well. I was thinking spacing out the letters a little bit might be cool. See, I'm already scatterbrained, aren't I? Aren't I, everyone? I'm already scatterbrained. That's good, eh? Whoops. How big do we want this? Is that still readable? That looks so cool. Looks so cool. Oh no. Oh, shivers. That looks cool as hell. Don't tell me that it doesn't. You all know it does. There's only one space in between. It is only one space. Cool. Okay. That is nice. Oh, I wonder if it's going to mess up on mobile. Let's see. Oh, I just love the underscores, eh? That's the part of that aesthetic. Oh, it does mess it up. Actually, oh my god, that site is perfect though. How good is that? So actually, all we need to do here is just do one of these. Problem solved, boss. Oh no, I hate that it won't let me center this. Oh well, it's gonna have to be a little off center. Why the heck does it keep doing that? There we go. Detective_origins. Site. Excellent. We're vibing, we're chilling. This song, by the way, Squawk75, Troll, from the album Sideband Collateral, now out on Spotify. This actually has a poem in it, read by myself, which is on the website. It's called Salt. It's part of the Grit series of stories. I'll show you. Grit. Just real quickly gonna fix this overlap. Maybe this is, see there's different types of blocks here. I'm having a brain blast. This page has never had issues for me. And this page is the only one where the grid is spaced out like this. Gap. I'm having a brain blast, everyone. Yo, this just changed though. Okay. Maybe I could research that a little bit. Hold on. Squarespace grid gap issues. Fixing the tablet spacing problem in Squarespace Fluid Engine. That sounds interesting. Could that be the issue that I'm having? It's hard to describe. I will admit that. So I can't tell if this person's onto it or not, but we'll find out. Fixing the tablet spacing problem in tablet. Okay, tablet makes me think he means iPad. Fluid Engine makes a bunch of new layouts possible in Squarespace. However, there is a major spacing problem when viewing a website in tablet mode. Ah, okay, he is talking about iPads. Tablet spacing problem. Oh, yep, yeah, he is talking about that. Grid-based structure. Okay. Oh, it's good. It is talking about the grid though, so maybe I can learn a little. There's an invisible grid underneath the Fluid Engine. How blocks are sized in Fluid Engine. Oh, wait a minute. Our text takes up all 8 columns and 12 rows. A button is below and takes up all 8 columns and 2 rows. But here's where we run into a problem. On devices under that 750, a spacing gap occurs. This is the problem that I'm having, guys. Oh my god, thank willmyers.com, whoever the heck that is. Okay, he's literally describing the issue that I'm having. Our text block is still taking up all 12 of those rows, even though it only needs 4. Okay, I understand. How do you fix it though? The height of any block you add to Squarespace is sized either extrinsically or intrinsically. You're breaking my brain right now, Will. Extrinsically, me, the user, gets to determine the size. Intrinsically, the content within the block gets to determine the size. Okay, that makes sense. This guy's good at teaching. For example, image blocks are extrinsically sized. I can determine the height of an image block, and the width within it will adjust to the height. What? The width within it? Oh, the image within it will adjust to the height. Okay. Yeah, I get you. Alternatively, text box are intrinsically sized. I'm literally... This guy knows more about Squarespace than the Squarespace help stuff. The height of text blocks is determined by the size and amount of text within the block. If I try to make a text block smaller than the content, I can't. And read about yeah. I've experienced that. That's normal. However, text needs less line breaks on wider screens. Oh, okay. Additionally, the row height of the grid increases on larger screens, creating even more space. Row height is about 50% larger. Row height? Okay, I think I get it. Row. And on a mobile view, the text needs to take up 12 rows, but on a tablet view, the row heights are larger and the text takes up... Okay, I get what he's saying now. Oh, God. Is he about to save me? Is Will about to save me? However, the only editing option we have is the mobile mode Squarespace provides, and our intrinsically sized blocks won't get any smaller. I don't get this whole tablet option thing as a fix. So the solution here is to size our text blocks based on a tablet, using as few rows as possible. Luckily, I was able to build some code that allows you to do just that. I don't know about this solution. I'm offering this code for free because I know how important this is to Squarespace users, especially now that Fluid Engine is out. However, this does cost time and energy for me to maintain. If you're able to, consider buying me a coffee to support the upkeep and maintenance of this plugin. Okay, I don't know what it is yet, buddy. You got to describe it to me first. Add this code. Footer code injection area. Markdown block. Paste the code. Now when you've hit the mobile icon, the mobile breakpoint will display as the screen size you've defined on that variable. With our new mobile mode set to 49, we can remove all that empty space. What? And yes, this still looks good on mobile. The rows that comprise the text are expanded so they can still hold the content. I don't get it. Whoa, the rows... Okay, the rows are different now. I see. Whoa. The rows are expanding. This code won't work if you use a breakpoint larger than 749 pixel. Anything larger in Squarespace will display the 24 column grid for desktop. What? I don't understand the breakpoint. What? Okay, I'm just reading the comments now, seeing what people say about this. Yeah, I don't really understand the breakpoints. Okay. Interesting. Well, that was helpful in learning some stuff. I'm not going to deny that. It was a little helpful in learning, but I don't think it solves my issue with Squarespace. This Fluid Engine thing. Okay, maybe I can Google that and learn some more. This is a study stream now. Squarespace Fluid Engine issues. Squarespace forum, Fluid Engine is trash. Oh my god. Okay. How do I turn off Fluid Engine? I can turn it off. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm finally figuring out what the issue is with this website. It's the Fluid Engine thing. A lot of people are having this issue with the Fluid Engine. Okay. This person's really angry in the Squarespace forums. Oh my god. I like this guy. He's got the energy that I need. It goes against the original philosophy of Squarespace. Keep things simple and idiot-proof. Well, they've successfully alienated that mission and all of us as well. Damn. He's starting a Squarespace revolution. But that's what I was saying the other day. It's supposed to be simple. Like, it's a template website builder. And a fool like me is struggling with it. Like, it all seems easy, but then there's so many issues that occur in the build. I started adding my text and everything kept moving around. Did I miss something, or do you have to redesign a page 20 times? Oh my god, it's the same issue that I have. This is from last year, almost exactly a year ago. Now it's more clunky than WordPress that I hate with a passion. Yo, what? Oh no, I don't want to switch websites though. But is there a way that I can revert out of this fluid engine? And it was out before I had the slightest idea it was coming or how to use it. Oh my god, it's horrible, and now my site is completely screwed, and I've spent hours trying to fix and chatting with associates trying to make me feel like I'm the problem. It's bad enough that they don't have live customer service phone numbers, which I bit the bullet on. I've been using Squarespace for years and have multiple sites with them. If this isn't fixed, I'll definitely be switching platforms before my renewal. I understand that they were what they were trying to do, but they obviously did not run enough tests because there are so many bugs. Whoa. Oh my god. I personally, here's a different person on the forum. Another take. Personally, I really like Fluid Engine and my websites look amazing as a result. My only two issues I'd like to see refined are blocks do shift when I edit other ones. I've been able to work around this, but I worry for my template buyers who may not be as confident in manipulating blocks nor understand why that's happening. I'd like to see more control over mobile breakpoint / tablet view or any other way to ensure that someone with a small laptop who does not have a full screen window option. Ideally, there would be a setting that shrinks the width. Whoa, this person's like, it's your fault that it's not working properly. Oh my god. No, it's not idiot proof, buddy. And I'm an idiot. So how do you explain that? Oh, guys, I'm reading about Squarespace. I'm reading on the Squarespace forums online to try to diagnose what the issues that I'm having are, and I seem to be finding results. I'm figuring it out. We're all figuring it out here on Pollyverse. It's all to do with the fluid engine. How do I turn off fluid engine in Squarespace? How do I opt out of fluid engine? Visit the settings tab. Let's see if I can, whoops. Settings. I don't see that option anyway. Let's see. Because that would be interesting if I can just get rid of the fluid engine. Oh, those bastards. Okay, I am pissed off beyond belief. I'm looking at a page right now. Oh, wait, okay. Oh, no, sorry. I'm not pissed off beyond belief. This isn't an official Squarespace website. I was going to say the text is overlapping the image. That's what they told me not to do. But no, it's not an official Squarespace page. So it's just another company that does website design, I guess. And they're also making the same mistake that I did. They introduced the fluid engine on July 22nd. What year? I'm guessing 2022. Circle Labs panel. What the hell is this? What the hell is a Circle Labs panel? How to disable Squarespace fluid engine. r/Squarespace. Reddit, give me the goss. Teach me the ways. I just got Fluid Engine as I sit and work on it. Last few things for client site. Don't get me wrong, seems cool and I really look forward to using it, but not now. I'm trying to add duplicate sections to different parts of the site and not being able to just bang them out like before is a headache. Oh, I see. Yeah, they added a bit where you could save them. You go to create section using classic editor. Okay, add section. Let's see if that works. I doubt it does because this is old, this a year ago. Okay, so we're back on the community tab. Let's go. This forum said that you can add a section. Aha. The above sections use the new Fluid Engine editor. Looking for sections built with our classic editor? I am. Oh yeah, I saved. I forgot that I saved every section because I had so many issues that I literally saved every section I made so that I could control paste them back. Look at this gap. You see this? Wait, let me just have a look at that. It just moved. Where's the overlapping text? I don't think that's the issue. Oh my god. And why is this image cut off? There's no overlapping text anywhere. It's all separated. I hate to say it, guys. This ain't it, chief. Okay, so add section. So this is the basic thing. Okay. Are these all templates in the... Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, this might be what I'm looking for. The whole fluid crap isn't working for me, guys. Maybe I can switch to this. Squarespace. What are you doing? Okay, let's get this. And let's see how it looks. Edit section. Divider. Whoa. What changed? Oh, it's like a weird divider. That's kind of cool. Yeah, this is cooler than the other thing. Edit content. Hey, well, that's not what I was expecting. Let's edit this section right here. So how do I like add stuff to it? Ah. Okay, I think I'm starting to understand. I think I am starting to get it. This is making my head, this is making my brain blast even more, guys. We're having freaking lations on the Pollyverse stream here at twitch.tv/Pollyverse. Pollyverse.com, the website, the enigma, the work in progress over the last year. We're finding solutions on stream to my ongoing problems. The fluid engine ain't it. Okay, so you can't just add blocks in the old editor, in the old sections, I guess. So you could make a blank one. This is what I did before. I just would have blank sections and then I'd add image blocks. I'd add text blocks. I'd stack them all up and then they'd break, they'd shift and expand when people view them on different screens, and they move down and create all this empty space in order to be able to fit. Help me. Help me. Okay, but this is kind of strange that I can't just add things to it. But I guess that's the benefit of the fluid engine, is you can add whatever you want. It's got more customizability. Upgrade to fluid engine for full drag and drop control. Once saved sections with fluid editor can't be converted back to the classic editor. Oh my god. Guys, we're gonna have to switch to classic. Though certain sections are fine. Certain sections are fine. Like, this is all fine. This is all like some sort of a, you know, this is a template thing. So this is all inbuilt. So this is all fine. It's this shit that's gonna have to change. But then I can just, because I can add sections, I'll just add a section here, copy it all over to it. Oh my god. Oh, my brain is blasting so hard. I'm Jimmy Neutron. And all the neutrons in my mind are expanding right now, everyone. They're expanding. Holy hell. Holy hellish demons. Screaming demon. Diabolical. Sorry to get dramatic, but I feel like I've just found the solution to all my woes, all my website woes. I can't stop. I'm a poet. Okay, I just can't. I never stop rhyming. I'm a poet. And don't you know it? Okay. So, oh my god. So that's why there was so many. Oh, okay. Get rid of it. Remove. Let's have a little browse of different sections that they have. Headlines. What the hell is a headline? See here, they put the text over the top of the images. I knew that wasn't a bad thing to do. These bastards at Squarespace literally told me to do something that wasn't going to fix the issue. I don't blame, you know, they're just... Well, I kind of do blame because they should know, but... Gee whiz, eh? These sections look extremely similar to the new sections. I'm going to be very honest. This is how we're doing it. Okay, but the customizer... Oh, that's kind of sick. What the heck is going on here? The customizability is going to be gone, but we could just grab a bunch of templates that will work for what we need for Pollyverse. Oh my god, everyone. Oh my god. This is very overwhelming for me right now, though. I'm just thinking about all this. I'm like, ugh. Where do I even start? But simply by finding this out, we have gained so much traction in our website building endeavors. Oh, deep breaths, deep breaths. Donations. What the hell? Forms. Let's contact her forms. Yeah, same thing. So many sections, isn't there? Audio. Nice. Can get some Squawk 75 on there, eh? Some of those custom tracks. Oh yeah, what is there for videos? Oh yeah. Yeah. It's kind of funny how it's grayed out. It's like, what are these old private YouTube videos that they had? People. Oh yeah, these are literally the same as the fluid editor. Whoa, it's glitching out on me. Did they make this in the fluid engine? Why are you glitching? Whoa! I did that by accident. I just tried to make it stop glitching. There we go, now it stopped. Now I'm scared though. What if Squarespace gets rid of the classic editor one day? They wouldn't do that, would they? They wouldn't do that, surely. Well, we're going to stay on Squarespace either way because it would be so easy to just create new sections underneath all of our old ones and copy paste everything over. And we already have all the image files uploaded and everything. But what happens when I do saved section? So I'm going to add this saved section here. Yeah, so it's got the grids behind it. We don't like that. I thought maybe there's a chance that it lets me add the saved Fluid Engine section as a classic editor section. But no, that's not the case. Okay then. Guys. We've learnt so much. Should we quickly try? The website's not going to have as much customizability, though that will simplify it. Make it a lot easier for people. So hey, maybe it's all for the best. Sorry, I'm just thinking out loud. God, all the troubles, all the woe that Squarespace has caused. I'm going to quickly Google Squarespace Classic Editor, like, see if they're getting rid of it, you know, at some point in the near future or something like that. Because that would be scary. I don't want that to happen. Oh, thank God we researched today. Spent like an hour researching. Found all of our solutions. Squarespace Classic Editor. I don't know why I'm yawning so much. I think I ate lunch too late. You know, when you like I can't even form the words in my brain. When you like didn't eat for a while in the day and then you suddenly do eat and then you're just tired because you're, I don't know, digesting it or something, or maybe your blood sugar is spiked from it. I don't know how that works. I didn't even know Classic Editor and Fluid Engine was a thing, because I think I joined Squarespace right around the time that they had released Fluid Engine. So I didn't even know that you could choose Classic Editor. Oh, hello, human. How are you doing? Lady Nix, be a star, just follow. Thanks for the follow. Thank you. Well, I didn't know I get a little sound alerts in the chat. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool indeed. You've activated the new alerts. So thanks for that. That was a clip of me saying, hello, human. Welcome to Pollyverse. Not a cult, by the way. That's all I'll say about that. Right now, we're being productive today. We're working on Pollyverse.com website, and we've just found a solution to it. I'm not a website builder, okay? I'm not a website builder, so I used Wix in the past. It did okay for me, though I outgrew it in the end. I moved on to Squarespace. I thought, this is good. Hello, human. This has all the stuff I need. Oh, hello, human. Thank you for the raid. Lady Nix _ Bass Star. Hello. Nice to meet you. How you doing? Thanks for the little raid party. I am a writer. My name is Torkel, rhymes with snorkel. Welcome to Pollyverse. As I said before, it's not a cult. Okay? Yeah, supporting other writers. We love that, don't we, folks? We love that indeed. That's why we're streaming in the writers category. I'm a poet, don't you know it? I'm a funny fiction writer. Just finished a few short stories. I'm working on a poetry book and a horror fiction novel at the moment. I've never written a book before, but that's the next step in my writing career. So that's a little about myself, but how are you doing? How's your stream today? Did you get some writing done? I hope so. Today we're actually working on my website, pollyverse.com. I'm figuring out the technical issues with it, so it's a bit of a productive stream in that sense. Figuring out the glitches, and I dare say that I think we have figured out a lot of the issues that we came across. Via our extensive research on the subject. It was good, and yes, working on a revision for my Kindle Vella. Ooh. I was saying Kindle Novella? Heck yeah. Good on ya. Being very productive and getting stuff done. Excellent. Yeah, Kindle. Kindle's the reading tablet, right? So you mean you have a... Oh, they call them Velas. Oh, okay, I didn't know that. Okay, that's interesting. I need to look into what that is exactly so I can understand fully. Sounds cool. Very cool indeed. It allows us to publish by chapter. Oh, that is awesome. But it's USA only so far in beta mode. Yeah, what part of the US are you from? I'm over in Australia, Western Australia. So that's why I've got the funny accent. And that's why it is dark in this room. Because it is about to be 7 p.m. here soon. And it's winter, so the sun sets at 6 p.m. "7 a.m. here." Yep, exactly. I had a feeling it was the exact 12-hour difference. It often is. It's a funny thing, isn't it? Other side of the world. Yet here we are in the online space known as Twitch. I do overnights though, so it's great. Oh, awesome. The late night shift. The late night streams, if you will. Well, good to have you here, and thank you for the raid. I just don't sleep. Oh, I get you. No sleep is sometimes an option too. Completely understand. Welcome in, by the way. Sandwich66. Beautiful name, by the way. Love that name. That's a sandwich 66. That's how many sandwiches I want to eat for dinner tonight. 66 of them. Wait, your name is a play on words, isn't it? It's like sandwich. I see what you did there. You're a funny one, aren't you? You're cheeky. I'm going to be lurking for a bit. Hope your stream is great. Well, thank you so much. Thanks for dropping in. Thanks for the raid. I'll give you a follow right now so I can be up to date with what you're up to as well. Like you said, supporting our fellow writing community. Lol, yeah, I'm Wiccan and I love the beach. Oh, awesome. That's so cool. Do you live near the beach? There we go, followed. Drop the follow on Lady Nix. Oh yeah, oh now I can test out. Shout out at Lady Nix. Oh my god, I've never used the shout out feature before because I didn't know how, but I just learned the other day. Everyone go and follow Lady Nix. Thank you for the Thank you for the raid. Thank you for bringing in the riders to the Pollyverse. You do live near the beach, nice. But also puns, yes. Puns are funs, aren't they? And also everyone, I just want to say, check this out. The stream goal is down there. 150 followers, okay? We're at 145 right now. If you guys drop a follow, I would be greatly appreciative. I would greatly appreciate it. Look, I'm getting choked up over this. Gee whiz. If we hit 150, that'll be perfect. That'll be a perfect night, wouldn't it? And by clicking that follow button, by the way, by adding to this bar, you're officially part of Pollyverse. Okay? You're basically signing a blood pact. Okay? It's a virtual blood pact. And it's not a cult, by the way, but you are signing a blood pact. So you're officially a member of Pollyverse, anyone who follows. I don't make the rules, though I am the leader. I just interpret the rules from a higher power. But yeah, back to Sandwich. Which beach do you live near? Like, what are you in the US? Like, are you on the East Coast or the West Coast? I'm fairly geographically knowledgeable. So I know of like California on the West Coast and Florida on the East Coast. And that's starting to get to the limit of my knowledge of the coasts of the US. But you may not be from the US either, so. I am in Western Australia, and essentially the entirety of Western Australia's civilization is built along the coast. And we really have some amazing beaches here, I gotta say. I'm not trying to brag or anything, but there are amazing beaches here. I saw a pod of dolphins last month. They seemed to be feeding on a bunch of fish. Just as I drove past the ocean, I saw a fin pop up and I stopped, walked down the beach and had a look and just watched dolphins for like 10 minutes. It was awesome. But yeah, I hope you're all doing well. Hope you're all doing some writing tonight. Getting some words down on the page. Virtually or physically. Get it done. These beautiful tunes, by the way, are from my friend Squawk75, who you can find on Spotify. I'll drop a link right now. There you go. There's a little link to this song in particular. Very talented artist. Always providing us with the beautiful stream tunes to get us focused. So we diagnosed website issues today. That was a huge step. That was a very productive step. We've realized that the shifting blocks in Squarespace are due to the fluid engine. So we're going to have to revert a lot of our website to the classic editor. I've not worked with the classic editor before. I'm new to Squarespace. So I'm just deciding at the moment what I should do at this point in time. What I should do right now. Okay, I can still work on pages that I've disabled. That's good. I'll show you what we're working with at the moment. So this is the thing with the Squarespace Fluid Engine. There seems to be 0 issues if you're using the templates. But if you're using a blank section and then adding blocks onto it, the blocks will shift. So this is obviously a blog template. Oh, this section though is not. This section's the blog section that I have. Interesting. Oh my goodness, there's so much I need to change. This is going to be a big project, guys. This is going to be a wild time. Diving through the depths of Pollyverse.com, rummaging through the muck to fix it all. Dear Lord. Okay, is there anything more we can tackle today? Hope you've all been having very productive days, by the way. Especially today. Evening, morning, wherever you are. Okay, the easiest sections to fix will be this About tab. Let's see if we can do something about this real quick. I don't know any of these templates. It'd be nice to have one that allows a large image and then just a text section, I suppose. God, I'm so glad we figured out all the issues today. I feel like every change I make to the website now will actually be permanent for the future, you know, instead of just troubleshooting. It's such a relief. No more fluid engine. We're over the fluids and the engines. I was never a mechanic or an engineer anyway. Especially not a website one. Though I have fixed a car before. It only had one issue. And it didn't require any heavy lifting. No grease on the fingers, shall we say. Whoa. Oh. Oh, there are some customizable options within the classic editor too. This is not bad at all. Not too bad at all. I don't mind this. I'm figuring it out. Yes, yes, yes. heck, my image didn't load. There we go. This is a banger of a song, by the way. This is one of my poems called Salt, playing over a song called Troll. What the heck? Where's the section I made? Oh, there it is. I can't save it. Why? Huh. Oh no, is this a new Squarespace issue? I just made a new section, but I can't see it. Sure enough, it is not there. Oh Lord. Okay, I'm going to try saving this again, see if it works. This needs to work. I'm hanging on by a thread in my patience with Squarespace. Let me tell you all. Let me tell you. Not a happy chappy when it comes to Squarespace at the moment. Okay, it actually worked. Okay. It is not over yet. Check out this beautiful section that I just made. Bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom. Not finished yet, but you know, I'm testing how the features work. Pollyverse is not a cult. Pollyverse is an online platform and network for creative collaboration run by me, Torgal. I'm a writer, a poet, and a creator. Pollyverse has grown into a platform to publish my stories, as well as a place to promote and work with my super talented friends. This button doesn't go anywhere, by the way. That might be like a, I don't know, a contact button or something. And there's the image, a lovely image of me at the park praying to the Pollyverse. So yeah. How's that? That's something. That's something. That's some progress for today. We've discovered the issue with Squarespace. We've found a feasible way to fix it. Now I just need to redesign my entire website. Yay! Cool. But that's about all the energy I have tonight, I think. That is about my limit, I dare say. Oh my god. It was a roller coaster of emotions, just researching information about Squarespace. I'll tell you that much. An absolute roller coaster of emotions. No lies. Oh my god. So now the question is, where do we send the raid party? Ha ha ha. Okay. There's a writer here. Okay. Raid party assemble. Da 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 da. Let's get ready to send a raid party over to a wonderful streamer known as Purple Heart Natalia Books. Fellow writer. Raid time, raid time, raid time. Thank you all for sticking with me tonight through the trials and tribulations of Squarespace website design. Let's go and raid though. It is time to send us off. So adios, people. Pollyverse people. Not a cult, by the way. Let's go and give our heartful thanks and warm wishes to Purple Heart Natalia Books. Adios. Bye 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 bye. We're going in a few seconds. Hey, bye. Yes, the raid is out.